Hi guys, this is Raul Fernandez over here, and this is a small add-on I made for Blender. What it does is it will put objects with low in their name and high in their name into different layers. So we got these scenes, and if we run this add-on, it will create two layers, low poly and high poly, and it will search all objects with this text over here in their name, and with this text over here in their name, and it will put it into those layers. We can change also those texts. If we put here, for example, this word, try, it will now filter all these objects, and it will put in the low poly layers only the objects with this word in its name. Also the same for the other layer. We put here, I don't know, test, the same. So this is it. Hope you like it.